students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class we have studied definition of limit point and definition of isolated point and point of condensation. Now let me solve some examples to find out the limit points of a set. Okay, let x equals set of a, b, c and tau equals set of x pi singleton set a set of b comma c. Be a topology on X. Let A equals set of A comma C. Then find out the limit points of A. Okay, here X is given and the tau is given. Clearly tau is a topology on X and A is given. It is set of A comma C. Here we have to find out the limit points of A. Okay, let us consider each and every point of X taking one by one. Here first take A. Okay, first consider A. A is the element of X. Okay, here we observe that the open set containing A is A. We observe that singleton set A is an open set which containing A, but it does not containing any point of A other than A. Okay, this is a singleton set of A which contains A but does not contain any other point except A. So this A is not a limit point of the set A. Okay, now consider the element B belongs to X. Now take the element B belongs to X. The open set containing B are B comma C and X. Okay, here both the set contains element which other than B, because clearly the open set containing B are B comma C and X, and both the sets contains at least one element C which belongs to set A, X which also contains C which belongs to the set A other than B. So B is the limit point of A. Now consider the element C. C is the element of X. Now the open set containing C are set of B comma C and X which contains at least one element other than C, that is B. Therefore C is also a limit point of A. Here the limit points of A derived set of limit points is called derived set. Therefore derived set of A equals A is not a limit point, so leave. B is a limit point, so write. Similarly C is also limit points, so derived set of A equals set of B comma C. Okay, note clearly A belongs to the set A. Okay, and it is not a limit point of A. A is not a limit point of A. So A is an isolated point of A. So A is an isolated point of A. Okay, let me see one more example. Let Xi be an indiscrete topological space and let A contained in X. Okay, let A equals singleton set P. In this case P is not a limit point of A. Okay, in this case P is not a limit point of A. Since the only I open set containing P is X which does not contain any element of A other than P. Okay, here because it is I is indiscrete topology. Okay, again if we consider a point X belongs to set X other than P, then the only I open set containing X is X. Understand? Which surely contains at least one point, namely P belongs to A other than X. So each point of X other than P is a limit point of A. Therefore A dash equals X minus singleton set P. Okay, this is one case. Second case, when A contains two or more than 2 points. In this case every point X belongs to the set X is a limit point of A. Okay, since the only I open set containing X is X which surely contains at least one point of A other than X. Consequently in this case A dash equals X. Okay, next example, consider the usual topological space RU. RU is a usual topological space. Let A equals open interval 0 comma 1 which contained in R. Okay, if any point less than 0, this side, if any point, this is the open interval 0 comma 1, if any point less than 0 is considered, then it is evident that corresponding to each point, if you consider any point, then corresponding to each point we can find an open interval. If you consider any point, then we can, corresponding to that point, we can find the open interval containing that point. Okay, and containing no point of this interval 0, 1 other than that point. Okay, thus no point less than 0 is a limit point of 0, 1. So no point less than 1 is a limit point of this interval 0, 1. Similarly, if you take any point greater than 1, so no point greater than 1 is a limit point of 0, 1. Okay, if you consider 0, if you consider this element, okay, then any open interval containing 0 is of the form 0 minus epsilon, 0 plus epsilon. Here epsilon is very small positive number, very small number. Okay, then each open interval will contain at least one point of open interval 0, 1 other than 0. Okay, so 0 is a limit point of this interval. Similarly, now if you consider 1, then 1 is also limit point of the interval, and each and every element in the open interval 0, 1 is also a limit point of that interval. Therefore, consequently, a dash equals 0, 1 dash equals closed interval 0, 1, because here 0 and 1 are also limit point. So including 0, 1 open interval, including open interval 0, 1, including 0 and 1, we can write closed interval 0, 1. Note, it may be noted that every open interval containing 0 contains uncountably many points of 0, 1. Okay, here every open interval containing 0 contains uncountably many points of this open interval 0, 1. So 0 is a point of condensation of 0, 1. Similarly, each point of this interval 0, 1 is a point of condensation of open interval 0, 1.